All right, on this alert day, we are monitoring thunderstorms, which are now firing up well off to our west and northwest, out in the central parts of Kansas, southeastern Nebraska. And as we head through the next several hours, so now through 8 p.m., we'll continue to see those storms build north and west of the metro. Wind, hail, and there's a tornado risk with those storms as they initially develop. And then between 8 and 11 o'clock this evening, that's when storms are going to grow into a line, roll into the metro area. And at that point, really damaging wind is going to be the primary threat. There could still be maybe a storm or two that has hail, and also monitoring for those brief spin-up tornadoes possibly along the leading edge of the line. So let's go through this timeline now on FutureScan, our newest run, which just came in. So it's doing a great job on picking up on those thunderstorms, which are up in Nebraska, out in the central parts of Kansas. As we head towards about 6 p.m., you see them, how quickly they form into a line. So near Tarkio towards Hiawatha on the Kansas side, approaching Maryville, and then you see moving near Atchison, St. Joseph, maybe near Leavenworth by about 8 o'clock this evening. So western and northwestern parts of the metro area starting at 8, and then through about 10 in the evening, those storms move right through the metro. Damaging wind, that primary threat, but we sometimes see those brief spin-ups here along leading edge of the line. So watching for that. And then as we get closer to midnight, that leading edge of those thunderstorms will be moving to the east of 65 highway. So if you draw a line from Marshall down towards Sedalia and Warsaw, that leading edge starts moving east of you. And then we get some quieter weather that settles in for our Friday morning. And really Friday and Saturday are looking like some nice days. And you can see it here on our 9-day forecast. Tomorrow, sunshine after a cooler start in the low 50s. We'll get into the lower 70s for the afternoon. So a pretty day, a north wind, lower humidity. So really a comfortable Friday. Saturday, clouds are going to start increasing heading into the afternoon, but looks like a dry day. Some thunderstorms might develop Saturday night and early Sunday morning, but I think we'll see the higher chance for thunderstorms Sunday late in the afternoon, and even more so Sunday evening and night for our area. And notice here, most of the area is in yellow. So we've got that possibility of some storms turning severe Sunday evening and night, and a greater threat as you go south and west along I-35 near Garnett, but more so down into south central Kansas and Oklahoma. So we're keeping an eye on Sunday into Monday. Part of that same storm system will give us additional storm chances on Monday. Mid-70s for our highs. After that, we get a dry day on Tuesday. More showers and storms are possible Wednesday and Thursday. Some data wants to push that rain to the south, so just keep that in mind. We still could have some rain, and then cooler weather with highs in the 60s and lows in the low 40s. So that severe weather risk this evening. I mentioned we're also monitoring Sunday as a warm front will be lifting into the region. Along the south, that front, they had a lot of storm potential, and that's where the severe risk is going to be greatest, where you see the red and the purple Sunday afternoon into the evening, southern Kansas and Oklahoma. But as you can see, that area does lift up in our direction. So that's why I'm mentioning we're monitoring that severe weather threat. And Katie was talking about that this morning, Nick, at noon. And as far as what you need to know, again, scattered thunderstorms on Sunday, more so the evening and night. That's the main window of time we're going to continue monitoring for that severe weather threat. So have multiple ways to get alerts. Download our KMBC 9 News app. That way you can get those notifications and alerts if we do see severe weather.